Welcome back, everyone. In our last video, we created our cluster. Okay, in this video, we are going to deploy the application that we had created and then we had dockerized it. We are going to deploy that application to Kubernetes. Okay, let's start with step number 7 here. Okay, first point is a Kubernetes deployment can create, manage, and scale multiple instances of your application. Why do we need Kubernetes? Is because that application that is deployed, that can be managed and scaled to multiple instances. Okay, and that is why Kubernetes helps. Deploy one instance of your app to Kubernetes using kubectl run command. It is asking us to kubectl create deployment hello Java with this image that we already have. Okay, let us do that then. Let us go to the Cloud Shell and type the command that they are asking us to run. kubectl create the deployment named hello Java with the image US Central 1 image. That this is the image name that we had created in one of the earlier steps. I hope that you remember the version was v1. Okay, so I'm going to create the deployment. It says deployment hello Java created. To view the deployments that you created, simply run the following command, which is to kubectl get deployments. kubectl get deployments. Guys, please make sure that when you're running these commands, just copy and paste these commands, because if you make a spelling mistake, you're going to struggle with what's really happening. You'll be bogged down with the commands rather than understanding the concepts. Okay, so this is the only deployment that's available that we just created. Third step is to view the app instances created by the deployment. Run the following command, kubectl get pods. Let us go to kubectl get pods. Okay, so this is the pod that is created and it's running, and only one pod is running, and the age is 62. It's running just from last 62 seconds. So we saw, if I run kubectl get pods, I can see what are the pods and what status they are in. To see this on the console, we can do the same thing. Go to Kubernetes engine first of all. Okay, go to I'm already there on that page, but I'm still going in so that you guys can see. Okay, and let me minimize this one because I'm not able to see everything here. So here I'm seeing the cluster. Go to workloads tab and see here hello Java application, status is okay, deployment type is deployment, the pods is 1 out of 1 is running, and it is running on the hello Java cluster. Let me drill down details. Let us see the details. It is giving me the details, how many replicas are there, pod specifications, everything. So you can see all the details here in the workload section on Kubernetes engine 2. So at this point you should have your container running under the control of Kubernetes, but you still have to make it accessible to the outside world. We will do that in next step, step number 8, which is to allow external traffic.